Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Honda CRF450X trail bike. Green sticker, 4-stroke, unicam, single cylinder, liquid cooled, electric start. This bike has Fastway hand guards, Dick's Racing suspension, rear shock, fully adjustable, fantastic condition, only $39.99. Come by, get some open class off-road fun for just $39.99 with this 06 CRF450X. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.